Hey, I'm Chase and this is All Things Random, and today we're doing another Amazon product review. Today we're looking at an iPhone case that both protects your phone and offers a 4-in-1 camera lens for photography. Now, the best camera a person can have is the one they have on them. A $1,000 Canon sitting at the table at home is worth nothing to you. Most people, however, always have their phone. I myself have an iPhone 7 Plus. I know it's old technology compared to what they have now, but I just haven't upgraded. So I went online on Amazon and found an iPhone 7 Plus case that has a 4-in-1 camera lens. Today, we're looking at the Revolver by ZTYLUS Innovation. Now, I ordered this on Amazon and it came in about 3 days to my home here in Alaska. It says it's the original dual optics lens solution for the iPhone 7 Plus. Yes, I have an iPhone 7 Plus. Looks like it has 4 lenses that use the dual camera setup on the iPhone. Let's open this thing up and see what comes inside. I will be honest, the packaging is quite nice and it is very well put together. In fact, it is so well put together that I have an issue just getting this thing open. There it is. Now, inside is the iPhone case itself. When I first saw this, I actually thought, wow, this is a very good quality iPhone case. It has a rubberized texture, it's very sturdy. It's really what you'd expect for a case that's 30 or 40 bucks. But this case also has these little babies right over here. The 4-in-1 camera lens system. Now, I thought this was really cool because it's on a little sliding platform that allows you to adjust to the camera lenses. The quality of this apparatus is actually pretty well made. It's very sturdy plastic. Now, let's put it on the actual case. Now, when pulling out the iPhone case, I noticed there are no instructions, so we're just going to have to just figure this out. It looks like it slides on, but it doesn't really click into place, so maybe it goes on like this, and yep, it's got a hard click there. Pull it down, and yeah, it looks like it just clicks into place. Well, that's actually pretty cool. That's actually pretty nifty. So there's 2 camera lenses right there. You slide up, but it doesn't really click into place right there. I'm not really sure how this works. Again, I'm going to have to fiddle with this a little bit to actually see how it works. I just can't get it to fit on right. I mean, this has to be some sort of manufacturing defect, right? So even after fiddling with it, I can't really figure out. It clicks into place on one, but I'm starting to feel like an idiot here because I'm really not understanding how it works. It's very well made, and there has to be a better way of doing this, but I'm just going to have to fiddle with it and try to find out. Now, I feel like an idiot because it pops up and rotates on a magnetic slide. It's actually pretty easy. I don't know why I didn't figure it out sooner. Now, when it comes to the iPhone case, there's nothing really too fantastic about the case. Like I said, it's rubberized, it's very sturdy, it's flexible, it sits on your phone like a glove. It's very good. But that's not why I got this. I got this because I wanted to take more photography outside. So I took some photographs with the 4 different lenses here. One is a fisheye, one is a telephoto, then you have a macro x10 and a macro x20. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you several examples of photos that I took, both with the original iPhone camera, then with the different lenses. Now, the first photo here is going to be from a standard iPhone camera without any filters, any enhancements at all. Now, the first one is going to be the fisheye camera lens. Now, it gives it that classic strong visual distortion, creating a wide panoramic view. Now, this would be great if you wanted to get a shot of the entire inside of a car or a small room. The next is going to be the Telephoto Lens. Now, to be honest, I had no idea what this was. I had to look it up. Basically, what it does is it gives you an optical zoom through a camera lens, as opposed to zooming it in on your camera and using a digital zoom, which everybody knows the further in you zoom, the more pixelation and distortion you get. So this allows you to take a photograph zoomed in without any distortion, just absolute clarity. The next two lenses are the x10 and x20 macro. That's for close-up shots. Now what I did was I took a picture of a flower, the closest possible picture I could get that the iPhone would actually focus. And you see that it's pretty close. But when you go to the x10, you realize that you haven't gotten close at all. Now here's the x10. Now you can start to see the brilliant colors of the flower, the absolute details of the inside, things that you could never pick up with a standard iPhone camera. Now, this is nothing. Now flip it over and you go to the x20. Now you could see the absolute detail of the inside of a flower that is extremely hard to see even with the naked eye. And you could see that the lines are crisp and clear and the colors are blended perfectly. This would be good for really looking at the textures of things. Close-up detail that you wouldn't get with anything else. Just looks great. Now overall, for $27, which are the cost of most cell phone cases anyway, you really can't beat the fact that you get 4-in-1 camera lens options, and they take absolutely great photography and video. Like I said before, I'm not a big fan of the fisheye, but I use the macro x10 and the macro x20 all the time for videos just like this. So really, the only thing you have to lose is nothing, because you still get the case, and if you don't like the camera lenses, you just take them off. But I bet that you're gonna love them. Now, if you like videos and videos like this, hit that subscribe button down below and leave a comment of what you would like to see next. Hit that bell notification because I got a lot of interesting videos coming up in the next few weeks. Until next time.